Right, everyone, this is a AM1 from 2015 that I'm quickly just going to run through. In order to start with an exercise routine, you need to determine the body mass index BMI of the patients. Retrieve the file BMI. So here you can see I've retrieved it. Step number 2, insert the question number, your examination number, and computer number as indicated in the instructions. So you will go insert. You will get your header and footer, and you will type in whatever the question number will be, and you will also then put your ID number, which is your examination number. Right. If you want to leave it like this and keep on working, you're more than welcome. Otherwise, you can just go back to view. You can just click out of it, then you say view and you say normal. Right. So then step number 3, insert the following footer, center, and so forth. So I'm just going to go back to the page layout. I'm going to go down header and footer, go to footer. So insert the following footer, centered, so there in the middle, in italics, 16 and 16, and it should say BMI equals body mass index. Right. So make the changes as indicated below and on the spreadsheet. Right. So I will again just change my view back to normal, because this is how you guys will probably work. Right. They say that we have to make the changes, so if you have a look on the next page, you will see that there are certain changes to be made. The first one is there with a heading. It needs to be bold, italics, and 16. So I'm just going to go home, bold, italics, and change to 16. It also says it has to be merged and center. So from A to J, as indicated on the question paper, I highlight and I choose the option that says merge and center. Right. Then I move down, this one over here, smart tips, that must stay as it is, but here on this side, just below, they want you to number the patients by using a formula, and they gave you the first one. So when I go to the second one, I say equal, I click on the top, and I say +1, because you want the next one to say 2. Right? And if you copy that down, you will see that it will automatically then give you 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that is by using a formula, by just adding 1 to the previous. Next one, they say you have to assign a range name to the BMI answers. So when you get here to the BMI, they want you to give this a range name. So you highlight the section that they talk about, you go to the corner and you type in BMI and enter. Next one, they want you to insert certain text. So under supplement, they want you to type in the following as given on the question paper. Right, so after you have typed in everything that they have asked, you can just make this column a little bit bigger so that everything fits in well. And then it says text wrap and center all your headings. So I'm just going to highlight. I'm going to say text wrap text, and it needs to be center. So then you must just make sure that everything is visible that needs to be there. If not, click there, make it a little bigger until you can see everything, and make sure that words like content is not cut off. It should be perfectly visible for everyone. Then here at the bottom, they also say this must be text wrap. So we just make sure that we wrap text over there. And again, just make sure that everything is visible and that you can see them.